And welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's video, nandito po kami sa may go-kart. Hello guys, so my uncle and my father is posing for a picture. I'm so scared, bro.
Oh, this is the guard. I told you, Jeremy. Narinig mo ba ang tingin mo? Pwede bang mabagal? Security. Unahan na muna eh. Naka-video na yan? Yun naka-ano eh. Wait na lang.
Yung gugawin kakap.
Your Tito drivers always do like this. He even have a record already being the fastest. That is his first time.
What?
ไปเร็วได้ It's the first time. Professional.
ปกติที่ดินไง Bro, that ทำไมได้เร็วจังวะ Bro, that's so quick. Oh no, don't say that.
Sport talaga.
Bro. Do you see this, guys? Look at that.
Damn.
Oh bro จะแซงแล้ว
No, 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 no.
ไอ้เหี้ยกูไม่กล้าขับว่ะ
Very fast.
Bro ดูได้เลยเสียงจัง
Bro, what the?
How do you feel about that driving?
It's okay. Safety first, I guess.
How do you feel about that driving?
Safety first.
How do you feel about
Oh, you already asked.
Tito Jervis driving?
So professional.
Like that, right?
Yeah, I guess.
No, 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 no.
Oh, that's oh no, that's not my dad. Oh my god, I need the speed, bro. That's definitely not my dad.
We have taken the two of them.
What?
Two of them.
Katatapos lang po namin mag-kart. So, ang susunod naman ay ang mga anak ko. So, let's see. So yan guys, nandiyan na si Yuan at saka si Chloe. Slow down, slow down.
Mas matapang
Si Chloe, nag-slide pa nga siya, di ba?
Iniwasan niya si Yuan eh.
Ayun na si Chloe, anak. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Si Yuan, chill ride bro, chill ride. Si Chloe, ang bilis.
Baby pa talaga.
One day. Dito, video. Say hi. Say hi, say hi. Si Yuan. Leo, Leo. Say hi, say hi.
Pero at least marunong to.
Oh. Say hi anak. Si Yuan na. Maganda yung mga ganitong ano, activities. Oh.
Maganda
Ano masasabi mo?
Mahal.
Ang bahal.
Uy, kung ma-discover siya dyan. Mga tao, ate may karerang gowers. Bilyon-bilyon tayo.
Sanay na sanay yung batang yun.
Panggang sa kabila nito, tandaan na yun. Okay.
Kaya ang sigma eh.
Functional.
Slow down na.
Go faster!
Slow down na slow down na, slow down na.
Ito naman, mahal.
Hindi.
Ikaw, ito na, bukas.
Close your ano.
Wait lang anak, wait lang.
Go faster! Go slowly!
Wait lang sa ating one. Okay, go, 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 go! Go, go!
Kinig sa si Juan. Go, Chloe Juan!
Yan na sila! Yan na sila! Let's go! Woo! Si Chloe! Chloe!
Go, Juan!
Let's go!
Go, Chloe! Go, Chloe!
Good job!
Juan!
That's Yuan! Nabanog sa ni Chloe na.
Go, Chloe! Go, Chloe!
Tagtagal-gagal si Chloe.
Bagal ka talaga mahal ko. Bagal talaga ito.
Hindi bata eh. Ewan ko bakit kaya. Ano ilang minutes ba yun, bes? 20? 20 or 10?
Hindi ko alam.
Yung wala.
Ayan o. One last round.
One last.
Go, Juan! Go!
So yan guys,
Ba't red flag sa kabilang finish
napasabak yung dalawang anak
Dapat
na
checkered
nag-go-kart.
tag ang finish eh.
Nag-kart sila. So,
Alam mo sa kanila,
sa totoo lang,
red light.
okay naman sila.
Traffic light.
Ayun na sila. Tapos na sila. How is it? Good? Ano na, kumusta? How are you, anak? Funny?
That was good.
That's good. Experience.
It's so slow ah.
Oh, so slow. You want the fast one, huh?
Yeah.
Did you say thank you to Tito Jervis?
Right?
Oh.